Today we're working on related rates. There are four main steps. So the first is to identify given and missing quantities. Once that's done, you write an equation incorporating the given and the missing quantities. Third, you use the chain rule, and by using that you are supposed to implicitly differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to t, which is time. And then what you do is you substitute all known values to solve. Here's an example. Let's say we have a plane right there, and it's going to fly over a radar station right there. So we'll draw an image because usually that helps. It's 6 miles in the air, and the horizontal distance is x, and the speed, well, the s right there. So let's say s, it's not speed, it's the overall distance. Thank you. Overall distance. Let's say that's decreasing at a rate of 400 miles per hour. When s equals 10, what is the speed of the plane? So what we have to remember using Pythagorean theorem is that when s equals 10, x will equal 8 because of the square root of b squared minus a squared. That thing. Yes. C squared minus a squared. Okay, so that works. So we have our given rate, and that is negative 400 miles per hour when s equals 10. And so we have to find dx over dt when s equals 10 and x equals 8. What we have to do is we have to find the velocity. So x squared plus 6x equals s squared. That's Pythagorean theorem. So we implicitly differentiate, and so we get that, the 2x dx dt and the 2s ds dt. And that's because of taking respect to t. And so we divide by x, and that leaves us with dx dt equals s over x ds dt. And so from there we substitute 10 over 8 times negative 400, and we get negative 500 miles an hour. Now what we have to remember is we're finding speed, not velocity, and speed equals the absolute value of velocity. So we take away the negative, and it gives us 500 miles per hour for our speed. The end.